Hi. In this short tutorial, we will demonstrate how to set up your arenas, classrooms, facilities, and courses. These are typically any facility that you would like to manage and control in terms of booking availability, capacity, and allocation. For example, assigning an arena to a lesson, which runs on a daily basis. You can add as many facilities as you wish. You can also enable or disable them at any time. Okay. Let's jump in and set up a number of facilities in the system. These facilities will then become available for allocation to lessons and events. Head to Settings, then Arenas. Click Add New Arena. Great. Think about how your business utilizes its arenas, classrooms and courses available to it, and configure them accordingly. Okay, that concludes the tutorial. Next, we will explore horse locations and how to set them up. Thanks.